I recently visited Ponca City and went to the Stuteville Ford Lincoln dealership. The great activities in and around Ponca City create an excellent work-life balance. There are 5 disc golf courses and a disc golf pro shop and bar. One is located within the Ponca City Lake area and is named Lake Ponca Disc Golf Course. There's the Du Bois d'Arc Disc Golf Course, the War Memorial Disc Golf Course, the Willow Springs Park Disc Golf Course, and Sunset Park are all in the Ponca City area. There's also a golf pro shop called Flight Path LLC Disc Golf Pro. It has a bar with it and is a great gathering place for like-minded disc golfers. There are 2 traditional golf ball and club courses available as well, the Wentz Memorial Golf Course and the Ponca City Country Club, which is near Ponca City Lake. Overall, I give Stuteville Ford and Ponca City high recommendations because of the people, because of the company, and the location. The family feel and cooperation of the staff from general manager down to lube tech, along with the modern facility and activities and attractions of the Ponca City area, makes this a very desirable place to live and work. If you'd like to find out information about what job opportunities there is at Stuteville Ford and Ponca City, just contact me.